Hi there, I'm Aaron Armstrong. Welcome to another K-Wall training or tutorial video. Today we are talking about Accorbis and adding tabs into a landing page. To start, we're going to go to the Content tab. We can either add a new piece of content or landing page, or for the sake of our demo, we're going to go ahead and edit an existing. From here, we're going to click on Main Content, which is where we see our layout paragraphs. And here is where we have the ability to add a new section. You will also see all the existing sections and their corresponding components. So this is all the existing data that is on the page right now. I'm going to go ahead and click Add Section. I'm going to keep it a one-column section, and I'm going to put it within a container. Now that we have our section, let's go ahead and click the plus symbol. We get our total, our full list of components that you have the ability to use, and then we're going to click tabs. From here, we have the ability to decide how we want our tabs to be oriented, either horizontal or vertical. Totally depends on your preference, on the site, on the content, so use as you see fit. I'm going to leave it as the default of horizontal tabs. And then we have heading, which is going to be a H2 that appears just above all of the tabs. And I'm going to do Aaron's tabs. From here, each tab item has the ability to have a heading, and then inside of each of it has the content, and each piece of content for each tab has the ability to reference either a web form or enter WYSIWYG information. So Aaron's first. I'm going to add a WYSIWYG. I'm not going to add any sort of title right now, but if we wanted to, we could add it here, or we could also add it within the WYSIWYG itself. And I'm just going to go ahead and paste in some lorem ipsum. I'm going to go ahead and say that is going to be done for that first tabbed element, and I'm going to click Add Tab Item. We're going to do second tab. We're going to reference a WYSIWYG again. I'm going to put in some information here, but maybe this time I'll go ahead and add a heading. You can set that to an H2. You know what, for accessibility, because we have an H2 above, let's set that to an H3. And maybe I'll add one more third tab and do Aaron's third tab. And we can go ahead and reference, let's see, we'll just go ahead and paste in some more body content, and let's add in the section title, Aaron's section title. And you know what, let's go ahead and add a third, or a fourth and final tab. We'll call it fourth and final. And let's go ahead and reference a view, because we haven't done that yet. Let's give it a title, we'll call it events. We'll throw it in a container, and we'll do featured events. And we will tell it to be a featured list of events. There's some additional options. This gives you the ability to add an argument into the view, but we're not going to bother with that right now. So we have a list of tabs. There are 4 tab items. There are 3 with just a WYSIWYG, and one of them with references a view. Go ahead and click Save. You can see the tabs showing up there, but let's go ahead and click Save, and then we will view and see what this looks like on the front end of things. And if I scroll down to get to my new section, we see each of the 4 tabs along with the corresponding data. Our second tab should have the heading. Our third tab should also have a heading but be an H2 because we filled that as the section heading. And our fourth and final should have our list of events. So if there were events marked as featured, they would automatically be pulled into this tab as well. And so like we showed above, you have the ability to have these tabs to be horizontal or vertical. Yeah, it is quick and easy to add these tabs to whatever landing page you see fit. Thank you.